You're looking at some HTML tags, right? So the first one we'll be looking at is the H1 tags. H1 meaning header 1 or heading 1. So this is heading 1 tag. Then we have heading 2. It's up to heading 6. Heading 2. So this should be heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. Alright, so this should be 3, 4, so the heading tag is simple. This is how it will look like. So heading 1 simply means larger and bolder. So heading 2 somehow larger and bolder, and it follows like that. Okay, so it means the more you decrease it, the more it goes down. Basically that's how it works, right? Okay, so we also look at the paragraph tag, call it the P tag. So the P tag can have your text, and P tag is mostly used a lot, right? It is used a lot. Now let's take into consideration this website. So when you look at this website, you will see that this is a header 1 tag, which is used here. You see that this is a P tag. Then we have some other HTML tags to used here, like that, right? So we just look at the basics, then we continue. So you have your header 1 tag, header 2, you have your paragraph tag. We also have another tag we call the article. The article tag is normally good for blog websites or news websites. So web browsers can identify that, okay, this is an article website. Once you use the article tag, you can also use the P tag to do the same work. But for browsers to be able to identify the kind of websites, it is advisable that we use the article tags or elements in our web development procedures. It works the same thing as the P tag. You see that there is no difference. Yes. All right. We also have some tags like the brick tag. The brick just breaks lines of code to the next page. So when I put my brick here, it will move this line of code to the next line. So when I refresh, you will see that it has moved it to the next line. Yes. So we have all these HTML entities or tags, which will make our work very easier. Yeah, so let's basically do what I have on the website I showed you. So I'll copy, let me refresh it, there will be nothing. I'll copy this and push it to my header tag like that. So my H1 tag is here. I'll paste it inside. So when I refresh it, you'll see that it is deep and bold. Yeah, like this. All right, so the next thing is to pick this. Let me pick it. You see that there's some line under it, underline. Yeah, so I will use h3 tag and paste it. But since there is line, there is another HTML entity we can use, which we call the U tag. The U tag is just an underline. So when you write, maybe let me write something like this. You see that it will underline it. So the U tag also helps a lot in our development process. You see that is everything is underlined. Yeah. So we use the U tag or the U elements inside here. So after our h3 tag, we bring the U tag, then we paste our text, because we want the entire text to be underlined. So you wrap it, you put the text inside our U element. So once I refresh, you see that it's underlined. Then the next one is the paragraph tag. You can also use a P tag. Here, paste it. You see that it will be shown perfectly as it is. Right. So basically, these are the elements we'll be using mostly, and some other few ones I'll be showing you. Okay, the H1, the H3, the paragraph tag, the underline. So these are the things we'll be using most of the time in our development journey. So others will be coming in place as we code along. So basically, this is how most of them works, and then I'll also show you some few HTML tags like the IMG. The IMG stands for image, and only the IMG tag don't have a closing tag. You see that the P tag, anytime you put it, it has the opening tag and the closing tag, and the closing tag always goes like this. So there is a slash, forward slash before the tag. Yeah, so the IMG don't have it that way, but it have attributes, right? So as the source, the SRC is an attribute of the image tag, and the SRC simply shows, or it's just a source where can we find the image link, where can we locate the image. So it just specifies the location of the image, right? And we have another attribute we call the alternate or the alternative. So if there is no image, then can I have any alternative? So the alternative mostly it is text. So I can say my image name here, right? So when I save this right now,